So we just got back into town from the races, and we already got people in the shop wanting fab work done. So let's go out there and see. Let's go out there and see what we got happening. It could be a surprise, but I think I know what it is. Sounds like a disco party in the shop. Don must be, he's jamming in here. Here we go. What do we got going on in here? Check it out. We got a pro mod. Hello, Don. We home. Look at that. He's got a diaper pan for it. So we're going to get started. Don's jamming in here. I don't know what he's listening to. But we're going to work on the little car that could. What we're going to do here is we're going to hang some weights off these bars up here. These are too high. We need them lower. So we got Pro Mod Don here. Uh-oh. And we're going to rip the front end off this car because we need to put some weights up in the front. Oop, it's falling apart.
It's falling off, not getting ripped off.
Yeah. The customer helping the fabber, or the goofball, whatever you want to call me.
That's how you get discounts, okay?
Discounts. Discount City. We're going to hang some weights now. Take the front end off. And go to town. Alright. After strategically deciding what we wanted to do, we got some holes drilled under here. Now we just need some hardware. And we're going to hang some weights under here. There's Pro Mod. We're going to try to cure the wheelie problem. We're going to do it like this. Don's over there laughing at me. We're going to put these up here. Like that. We need to get some hardware. We're going back to work on home stretch again. That's the name of the car because everything that we do on it, Don calls it the home stretch. Put some weights on the front end last night and the night before started. Now here we got homie right here wiring up a choo-choo horn or something. I don't know what the fuck he's doing.
I'm fucking getting my door straps so my doors don't
fall off.
Dude.
So we busted out the welders. And we're hanging weights under here. Yeah. They're not the prettiest, but the actual mounting is pretty darn good. We gotta put another one up here. So hang tight. Let's get her done. First things first, clean our work area so we're not laying in metal grinding. Don's outside doing something with fiberglass. It's kind of funny. Ooh. What are you doing out here?
Fucking up a bumper, dude.
Whoa! We got Don on the floor! What do you think, Pro Mod? This street car has got teeth on it now. Now we just got to adjust the weights. The weights, he says, because they look like caca. He says we're not going to be able to. He don't know shit. We're going to use that thing back there. We're going to clearance these things.
Relax,
real good.
Dude, why you gotta yell at me, man? I was actually welded pretty good considering how terrible.
Yeah. How terrible it was?
How terrible the area is in the city.
Yeah, it kind of sucks laying on your back and holding it up.
Dude.
And
you're better on your back.
Yeah.
Put that in there.
We're gonna use this here mill to cut these. We're gonna cut these real nice so they fit the bars real nice. We're gonna just cut some material off right here. While Don's over there doing whatever he's picking his nose or some shit. Yeah, you make all kinds of noise, bro. Over here, just cutting a keyway. Or not a keyway, a slot. We're just cutting a slot in here. Make it fit real nice. Don's over there making all kinds of racket. These gold bars that we're putting on Don's car, man, they're worth a lot. You guys want to see some funny stuff happening? Check out Don over here, precision cutting.
This thing works really good at throwing stuff all over you.
All over you. Let's try that machine. That just throws everywhere. If you ever need a mover, Don, he's a professional mover.